Hold on there, guys. Sorry. Pardon me. Hello there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You've tuned in again to DoxologyCreations. My name is Natalie. So, as you can see in the title of today's video, I'll be filming from my iPhone 11. Okay, so it took me like a month to get this phone. So I'm finally happy that it's here. Usually I do not film on my phone. I normally film on my Canon SL2. Or the purpose of me doing this so that I can see how good this front camera is in actually filming a whole makeup look. So that's really the purpose. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you are a part of the DoxologyCreations family. Yeah, like it just made better sense, you know. Anyways, guys, don't forget to turn on your notification so you are aware of when I do post new content. Anyways, we're gonna get right into the video. Let's cut to the chase. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining this part or this portion of the video. So I'm going to go ahead. I already did my browse off camera, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to color correct here underneath my eye. Cancel out those dark circles. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer orange color corrector. Next, I'm going in with my Milk Hydra Grip Primer. So for foundation today, the Rihanna Hydrating Pro Filt'r Hydrating foundation. I wanted to sample it, so I went to Sephora and they gave me a sample. It's nice. I wouldn't buy it because I have oily combination skin, so I'm just gonna finish my sample on today's video. I love the coverage of it. I think if it's set properly, like, it can be so pretty. I've used it before. I've worn it. I've done a wear test on it before, and I'm not gonna lie, I like it, but it's just not ideal for the climate I'm living in. I live in Florida, so it's just like we only have 2 seasons down here, hotter and hotter. It's real, that's it, hot and hotter. So it's like a set up myself. I can't wear this in the summer. Nope. If I still lived up north, I would definitely purchase this for like a winter foundation. So for contour, I'm going in with the Pro Filt'r, and this is in shade 445. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. For highlight, I'll be using shade 390 in the Pro Filt'r concealer. The rest of my face, I'll be using my Laurant Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. So I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'll be using also a little bit of that concealer on my eyelid. And today's palette is going to be from Revolution, Makeup by London. This here. I'm gonna take this yellow as a transition color. Okay, and for the crease color, I'm going in here with this dark color here. I'm going to go in with this purple color here. I'm a little bit scared at this decision. It's an interesting decision, I'll say that much. I'm a little bit intimidated by this decision that I just made to put the purple on my lid. But it's blending nicely, as you can see. I'm gonna give myself just a little wing with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. All right. Prep my lash for the falsies. I'll be using the Tarte Big Eagle. Go ahead and bronze my face up a little bit. Using my Pro Bronzer from Absolute New York. So just chisel up my face a little bit. Alamar Cosmetics blush palette. I'm going in with Deserted. Yeah. Deserted might work for me, tell you. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Steve Laurant Jelly Highlighter in Cotton Candy. Alright, let's pop on those lashes. So this is the final look. Finally finished filming, I should say, with my iPhone 11. And it's not my camera, clearly, but it wasn't a bad substitute. Would I film again with it? I definitely would, but I would actually film this time in the day and not in the night. I think you need a lot of lighting in the night when you're filming, but then again, when you film overall, you need a lot of lighting so you can actually look good. So far I actually do like it. Is it worth the rave? Yes, I think so. Is it worth purchasing? Yes, I think so. I forgot to pop my little thing in the corner of my eyes there. I totally forgot, and the look is not complete until I have it right here. Yes. Now we can resume. So yeah, I think it's worth the hype. I think it's worth the buy. Do a full face makeup with this phone camera, and I'm looking at it right now and I'm seeing such a nice quality, and I'm actually seeing the pigments show up on the actual camera. I'm impressed. Hands down, I am impressed. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the new iPhone 11. Have you actually tried to film something very important to you using it beyond just a selfie? Let me know in the comment section if you actually even got the phone, and if you did get the phone, let me know what color you get your phone in. Mine is in the color yellow, and I just wanted something different, why I chose the color yellow. So yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.